Do you have cherished old photos that have lost their vibrancy over time? Let's bring them back to life together with ImageColorizer. First, upload your image. Once your image is uploaded, click Start and watch the magic as ImageColorizer breathes new life into your photo. Preview your colorized image and compare it side by side with the original. See the transformation right before your eyes. Not satisfied yet? Click Edit to tweak the contrast, exposure, temperature, and clarity until your masterpiece is perfect. Once you are happy, click Done. But wait, there is more. Click Upload Image again to restore an old photo. After uploading, hit Start and let ImageColorizer work its magic, removing wear and tear to reveal a refreshed version of your photo. Preview the restored image and compare it with the original. Want to add a bit of flair? Choose from various filters, fine-tune the image, and even add a beautiful frame to highlight its beauty. Next, ready to enhance the quality of any image. Upload the image and click Start. ImageColorizer will upscale the quality, making every detail crisp and clear. Preview the enhanced image and compare it with the original. You can also make additional edits to get it just right. Finally, let's retouch those old portraits. Upload the portrait image and watch as ImageColorizer generates a polished version for you. Preview the retouched image, compare it with the original, and make any necessary edits to achieve perfection. With ImageColorizer, restoring and enhancing your treasured memories has never been easier. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.